There's so many songs about rainbows and what's on the other side. Rainbows are vision, but only illusion, and rainbows have nothing to hide. So we've been told and sung just to believe it. I know they won't wait and see. Someday we'll find the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me. They say that every wish could be heard and answered when wish on the morning star. Somebody thought of that when someone believed it. Look what is done so far. What's so amazing that we are stargazing, and what do we think we might see? Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me. All of us under its spell. You know that's probably magic. If you've been half asleep and have you heard voices and heard them calling my name, still the sweet sound that call the young sailor, a voice might be one in the same. I've heard it too many times to ignore it. Something that I'm supposed to be. Someday you'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me. Da 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 da.